Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered what it would look like if Apple started selling tomatoes instead of iPhones? In this tutorial, we'll explore this fun and creative concept by redesigning the iconic iPhone logo as a tomato seller. We'll fire up Adobe Illustrator and start building our new logo. We'll use a variety of tools and technique. Now take ellipse tool and start making circles to create a tomato shape. Decrease the opacity so we can see each circle properly. Now select all the shapes and select the Pathfinder tool to create a shape. Make the shape using this tool. Including the ellipse tool, Pathfinder tool, and the type tool to create a tomato shape. Add leaves and add text to convey the tomato seller theme. Now to add text to the logo. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully realized and unique design that showcases your creativity and Illustrator skills.